Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to analyze Kucoin liquidity pools for returns. So I just tap on my coin and officially logged in. I will scroll down and from here you will see the trending coins. I will just select the second last LTC. So here is the coin. If I just little bit scroll down and find the analysis, you will see this is the order book and recent trades and analyze. So when I just tap on analyze, so it will be show you will see the buying percent is 66.67% of buying, and if I goes to selling, so the 90 point something percent is it's easily to buy and purchase. So liquidity in cryptocurrency markets refers to the ability to buy or sell assets quickly without causing a significant change in price, which underpins market efficiency and stability. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.